Hey everyone, Jeff Teague here. We are in a Tundra Trd Pro and we are going to be going down this big hill in crawl control so we can test it out for ourselves. We've got our multi-terrain monitor with several different angles, but we can see along the side of us, in front of us. We can check pitch and roll. So there are a lot of different things we can do. We can check our different angles. It's one of the huge benefits of having the next gen Tundra. Same thing with Sequoia, you'll see the same view in the Trd Pro. Crawl control can be considered a low speed cruise control, and it helps you to get through an obstacle. You focus on the steering, it goes forward or backward for you at a regulated speed. You can vary that, but you use this control lever down here. We've got the different drive modes, MTS, multi-terrain select, downhill assist control, and crawl. So we'll be putting that, it's got to be into low 4, and then we're just going to go down that hill right there, if you want to point it that way, just so we can see where we're headed next. It's pretty radical downhill. Should be fun. Okay, so we've got it in low 4. It can just be in drive. We've got right here, we've got the low speed crawl. You can do low 2, low 1, mid. And then we can be in, let's try it one more time. There we go. You can be in low 1, mid, high, all that. So we're going to be in the lowest speed, and it's going to take me down at a regulated rate, because you can see already our pitch is dropping here. Should I go a little bit faster? Or is this?
Yeah, you can. Absolutely.
Okay.
And you're going to want to just straddle this crack.
Okay. This is pretty wild. It's taking me down at a regulated rate. I'm focusing on the steering. To me, this is intimidating. I know a lot of you do off-roading, but I don't normally tackle obstacles like this. So it's pretty crazy. We are at a crazy angle right now. We're, I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty good.
Yeah, we're probably about 25.
25 degrees, yeah. It feels like about 80 to me, I'm going to say right now. And you know, a lot of people would probably go down faster, wouldn't they? Not me, though.
We have a common saying that is, as fast as necessary, as slow as possible.
Yeah, that makes total sense. So now I'm going to straddle up over on this side.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah, if you want to show like that
Yeah.
huge ravine that we're going through. All you off-roaders, you're jealous of this one, right? This is intense. You know, it's funny. It takes a lot of the stress and the anxiety out of going down or up a hill like this, because you know that the car really has you covered. It's not idiot-proof, but feels enough for me. Oh yeah, that was nice. And then check out this digital rear view mirror. We've got, I believe, the Lexus going right behind us, but you can see that unobstructed view of what's coming on the highway, in trails, all that kind of stuff. No headrests, no people in the way. All to tackle now. This is pretty crazy for me, so I'm going to put it into crawl, and I'm going to switch to the second low speed. Do I want to be faster than this or no?
Nope, should be good.
All right. Oh, this is a crazy hill. Should I go higher? No.
No, you should be good.
All right. Now, what do I want to be?
Just right up.
In the ruts?
No, just straddle this.
Oh, so I want to have my wheels on the high parts.
Exactly, you got it.
All right. Am I doing good?
You're doing great.
Wow, I can't even see. I cannot even see where I'm supposed to be going.
And that's why the multi-terrain view there.
Oh, yeah. This is so fun. I'll tell you, with all the off-roading resources, this really makes it easy to tackle things that stress you out, like this huge hill would be. Very impressive. And yet another example of how crawl control makes the world easy in a Tundra, in a Sequoia. And I'll go up this one too. And this is a good speed to be in, you think?
Yep, and you can go a little faster if you want.
I will.
Yeah, kick her up
Oh yeah. We are hardcore, my friend. Upside down, you're turning me. Look at that. I love how crystal clear the monitors are. All right, everybody, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. Let me know what you think of Crawl Control. Have you used it? Would you use it? And where would you take it in your 4Runner, Sequoia, Tacoma, Tundra? Thanks, everybody. See you next time.